going on, guys? Welcome back to Pat Outdoors. I'm about to go on the longest journey with my Razor MX650. I'm joining two of my friends, Justin and Toan, on their 113-mile ride from Virginia to DC into National Harbor in Maryland. They're gonna watch the 4th of July fireworks tonight. I'm not sure if I'm gonna go the whole trip. I might just do the first half of it since I'm really not sure if my bike's even gonna make it. But we'll find out. My wife's gonna stay at home on call in case my bike breaks down. At some point of the day, she'll come and pick me up in her Subaru. But I got this thing all prepped with a 360 camera, a Rilo. My buddy David let me borrow it, so hopefully I got some interesting footage for y'all. Let's go. Wow, I get a police officer in the first 20 feet. What's up?
Dude, isn't the range on your thing 70?
No, not at all.
I thought Justin said it was 70. So what's it, like 50? No, it should be 70.
I have no idea. I've never gone past 36 miles before.
Okay.
So if it dies, it dies. I'm just gonna wing it today.
74 is nominal voltage.
Right.
It's gonna hover around there for a while, you know. So you're at 73. I would say that you were at like 35 to 40% remaining.
I'm starting at 80 volts right now. We'll see how it plays out. Have you changed your setup at all since last time?
No, it's the same. I haven't done the front hub motor. What do you think so far, babe?
Not too bad.
Cool.
Are we going to be on trails or road?
Trails, a mix. I mean, we're going to be on sidewalks or trails.
Oh shit. I almost ate shit there.
I did too.
I saw you and I was like,
It's so slippery.
The mount for my camera broke. Yeah, just keep going.
Oh, okay.
My 360 mount broke.
Yeah.
Is it supposed to rain today?
I don't think so.
Yeah, I think it's like the battery's still right. And the motor's
Sealed enough.
So your bike looks like fun.
Oh, I love this bike. It's just weird because I'm crunched up because it's a mini bike.
Oh yeah, I could see
Dude, I
that.
can hear you coming from a mile away.
The howling of my sprockets.
Yeah.
Still good after an hour and 20 minutes, 79.3 volts.
1.3 miles away.
Oh, perfect.
Before I pass them, let's go. That's the first one.
Key Bridge, Georgetown.
There's a cop down there, Pat.
Yeah.
Go stagger to my right. I'll stick to the left.
It is what it is. The 65-mile-an-hour Nami. What do you think the range is on this? 100?
People have gotten 120 out of it.
Jesus Christ, it's so crowded out here.
Yeah, I like how we rolled by the cops right in front of
I know. Check out this Mustang. It's kind of ugly. Wow, this is cool. Jeez, good thing we're on scooters. So my dumbass self forgot the key, or I lost the key for this lock because it was hanging on my keychain that was on the bike this whole 40-mile ride, and now we're stranded here. So my wife's gonna go to Home Depot and get some bolt cutters, so that's gonna end my ride for today. Look at this man stealing my bike.
I don't want to cut the chain there.
This man just stole, he's trying to steal my bike.
Dude, that's a shit ton of salt.
God damn.
You only poured in? How do you do it?
I'm just gonna do it.
Oh, okay, then you'll be.
You know what? I'm gonna try the
40 miles in. Got a one-wheel rider joining. Oh, you sit on it.
Yeah, you can sit on it as well, but they mostly stand on it, you know?
Oh. And is that the controller up front?
This?
Yeah.
No, it's just a bunch of capacitors to give it a little extra
Juice?
like, to get it to go to 70. Top speed's only 55 right now.
No, it's like, so these things, as the batteries, they act kind of stupid at the limit, so it kind of like
Buffer.
yeah. A little
Oh,
bit,
it stabilizes it?
yeah, a little bit, so at the limit, hopefully.
Oh, he's got an automatic turn signal.
As much as I want to.
Well, that was quite an adventure. My wife ended up coming to DC to rescue me. All right, guys, well, I ended up cutting my trip a little bit short today, even though the Razor's got plenty of juice. I think the lowest voltage I got to was 77.6 volts. So I have no doubt I probably could have stuck another 15, 20 miles on this on the original charge. I ended up not charging in between. I got all the way to Maryland, like Oxon Hill area, with the original charge. So pretty impressive. I didn't think the BTR battery pack would last that long. I don't know how much I trust it that much, but I've got work early tomorrow morning, so there was just no way I could stay out till midnight or 1 a.m. You know, do the fireworks tonight. A couple of the guys are still out there in DC. They're gonna stay for the fireworks, but this is the longest journey I've ever done with my Razor MX650. So if you enjoyed today's video, do me a favor and hit that like button. And if you like this kind of content, want to keep up with some of my rides or some of my projects, consider subscribing to this channel. But this is going to be it for today. Thank you for watching.